In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a what-if analysis in Tableau. Whether you're exploring potential business growth or anticipating churn rates, a what-if analysis allows you to adjust assumptions and see how they affect the outcome, an invaluable tool for data-driven decision-making. To begin, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you don't yet have it installed, it's freely available online and easy to set up. Once you've got Tableau ready to go, open the appropriate worksheet, the space where you'll conduct your what-if analysis. In your worksheet, look towards the drop-down menu where you'll find an option to create a new parameter. Click on that and you'll start with a parameter to estimate growth. Name this parameter growth percent, then set its display format to percentage. This setting ensures that your growth estimates are clear and easy to interpret. Next, set the range for this parameter. You'll define the minimum as 1 and the maximum as 1, with a step size of 0.01. These settings allow for increments of 1% when simulating growth or decline, giving you a flexible framework to test various scenarios. Once set, click OK to finalize the creation of this parameter. Following this, create another parameter, this time to estimate the churn rate percent. As with the growth parameter, set its display as a percentage. Establish a range with a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 1, again using a step size of 0.01. Once all these details are configured, select OK. Now head over to the Analysis menu and choose to create a calculated field. Name your field accordingly and input the formula that applies to your specific scenario. This calculated field will dynamically update based on the parameters, offering real-time insights into your data model as you make adjustments. Click OK when ready. With these preliminary steps completed, it's time to configure your data view. Drag the order date field to the column zone and format it to show quarters and months. This time framing helps reveal patterns over time. Then drag the same order date field into the filter section, selecting the desired years for your analysis, and confirm by clicking OK. Now configure your rows, drag the region and segment fields there to stratify your data into distinguishable groups, aiding comparative analysis. Then, in the main view, bring in the sales data, which will form the backbone of your what-if scenarios. Don't forget to include your newly calculated field in the view as well. Finally, make both the growth percent and churn rate percent parameters visible by selecting Show Parameter for each through the Parameters pane. This visibility allows you to easily adjust these figures on the fly and see immediate effects on your graphs and data tables. With these steps, you've successfully set up a what-if analysis in Tableau, allowing you to explore how different variables impact your data-driven projections. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.